What's the meaning of cappella? Cappella. Cappella.
Cappella. Cappella. The word a cappella originates from Italian and refers to singing without instrumental accompaniment. The term is often used in choral and vocal music genres, as a way to create a pure and unadulterated sound. By removing instrumental support, it places the vocalists at the forefront, highlighting their talent and skill. A cappella music can be performed by soloists or groups of any size and in any musical style. It is a fascinating form of music making that challenges singers to stay in perfect harmony and pitch without relying on instrumental cues.